Hi, Dave here. Today, we're going to talk about how we can make your staff more mobile and enable them to check out customers throughout the store or at curbside. Retailers are seeing an increase in online orders. So, the staff are manning pickup stations in the store or supporting curbside transactions. They are also looking for ways to help their customers as they roam throughout the store to prevent the long lines. In order to speed up the checkout process, you can equip your staff with a mobile point-of-sale solution which enables them to check out customers in the aisles. They can also use this solution to complete customer transactions at designated curbside spots or pickup stations. Let's see how the Mobile Link printer line fits in. This system consists of a point-of-sale equipped smart device connected to an Epson Mobile Link printer. These mobile belt clip printers allow your staff to roam free and meet customers no matter where they are, both inside and outside of the store. Mobile Link printers can connect to smartphones and tablets and are compatible with a variety of wireless technologies and software. These solutions also support labeling and receipt and come in different sizes. Let me show you how it works. First, the employee can check out customers anywhere in the store. And then when the transaction is complete, printing the receipt where they are. See how quick it was to check out your customer? We also offer color label printing solutions so that you can bring your branding and logo to personalize the bags for pickup orders. I'm glad I was able to show you how we can break up the lines in store and implement curbside pickup using Epson Mobile Link printers. If you like what you just saw, chat with or connect with us, and don't forget to check out the other videos in our series.